Welcome to this video series on key capabilities of the Kaleido Information Engine. In this installment, we will extend our discussion of Kaleido's data integration and master data management capabilities to data merging and workflow. In part 1 of the video, we demonstrated how Kaleido MDM can be used to match source records to master records and avoid creating duplicates. In the second, we will demonstrate how, once matched, details from one or many source records can be merged into the master record, and the details of those merged records can be governed using workflow. Once linked through data matching, source records from the rating agency data, as well as source product records from suppliers, can be linked to our master product data using Kaleido's data merging capability. Let's set up a merge definition for the rating agency data. We do that by clicking on the rating agency link in the list. First, we'll define the source and target categories and whether we want more than one value of an attribute to be merged. Next, we'll set up an annotation attribute, and we'll use the source column to do that. We'll ignore any unmatched attributes and go ahead and merge existing attributes, deciding to keep the source after the merge is finished. That's it. We'll click the merge button to go ahead and invoke that merge. You can see the task running on the Kaleido taskbar. Kaleido MDM is a highly governed environment where changes such as matches, merges, and manual data enrichment can be put through workflow processes to ensure that the data is correct before it is authorized. Here we see the inbox of the data governor, who is responsible for review and authorization of the merged product records. The records in his inbox are displayed in a list view. Note the exclamation points on 2 of the records. Something about the merge has caused these 2 product records to become invalid, including the triple PlayStation we assigned the match for in the first video. Here we see the detail of the merged master product record for the triple PlayStation. When a rule from the business model is violated, Kaleido provides an explanation of the rule's violation with an exclamation point and descriptive red text. Here we see that the source product data uses a different name for the triple PlayStation than we do. That new value is denoted by the source attribute at the far right. An alternate name might be okay if the cardinality of the name allowed more than one value at a point in time, but it does not. While their name may be more descriptive, the data governor decides to keep the existing name. He removes the alternate product name from the merged record and then will authorize it for publication. Once saved, the record is revalidated automatically and is now deemed ready to authorize, which the data governor now does. Once any other invalid records are corrected, the remainder of the records are ready to be authorized, and bulk authorization of that group of records can be performed as a single operation by adding the records to the basket. Once authorized, the newly integrated product records are ready to be published. Once published, the results of integrating product data from 2 sources into our existing product records can be made available to the data warehouse, operational systems, and to business users with permission to browse the data. Here in the consumer UI, we see the blanks are filled in, including the key identifiers for records from the 2 external data sources. The data integration capabilities of Kaleido keeps master data timely and reliable by preventing data blind spots that could be caused by gaps in the systems themselves and by black box integration processes. By having more complete data that is fully governed and always audit ready, our customers can be even more responsive in managing their organizations.